Yo guys, what's up? Today I have two figures from the Sword Art Online series. I have Llenn from Sword Art Online Alternative Gungale Online. It's the box art. And over there I have Asuna in her Alfheim Online outfit from Sword Art Online. Yeah, so there you go. Sword Art Online was like probably one of the first mainstream anime that I was like really invested in and got hooked on. It did have its flaws, but I honestly really enjoyed it. At least the action aspect of it is pretty good. But yeah, here's Asuna, top and the bottom. Now let's unbox them. Alright, they're unboxed, and let's put Llenn together first, because she looks super easy. She only has two parts, and you put her foot right here. There you go. That's Llenn. Really easy, really simple. Asuna, Asuna looks a little bit more complicated. She has like 4 parts. I really like her base. But yeah, her foot is gonna go on this little pedestal thing right here. Alright. And the sword is gonna go in her hand. Pretty sure you just kind of press it in there. Yep. And her wing her wing is supposed to be like inserted this little notch in her hair. Oh fuck. Oh yeah, anyways, her like fairy wings go into this little notch in her hair. You just kind of have to like really press it in, because like the peg is smaller than the hole is smaller than the hole in her hair. It's not sticking. Alright, let me really like push this in. God damn it, why is it so fucking, sorry, so freaking complicated? Yeah, well, that was a shit show. It took like another 5 or 6 minutes to finally get in. But yeah, here they are, fully assembled, Llenn and Asuna. Yeah. Here's Llenn, whose manufactures Kotobukiya, or Kotobukiya. Yeah. There's P-chan, her like ammo storage things. Kind of like moves, so it's pretty cool. The base is simple but super cool. There's like not really any paint issues. It does kind of look like it's frayed on her hat, but it makes it more look like fabric. Yeah, really nice. And Asuna, the problem child for today. Well, she has a nice face, but her hair is like not really all too good. As you can see here, on her arm, the painting isn't that good either. And her hand looks like it's not detailed. Looks like whenever it looks like a what was it called, a garage kit, where they cast like the original figure in some resin to make a mold, and then yeah, that procedure of making figures, almost like a high-end bootleg. But yeah, it's alright. The wings are kind of off. Like, you need to angle them right to make it like work for the figure in a display. Again, her hair, like the paint that they use looks super powdery, but there is detail there, and it looks super plasticky near the ends of her of the streams of her hair. Again, paint isn't that good. Yeah. Whoa, look at that. Wow. I do like her boots, they're glossy and stuff. Alright. Again, there is Asuna. Sword Art Online. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Thanks.